everyone, welcome back to Jin birthday special reaction today. This is part 2. I've already posted like a part 1, and right now for this video I'm going to be reacting to 2 of his solos. One is called Mom, and this is going to be like a lyric video reaction, and the other is Awake. I already know that song, but for Awake I will be reacting to a live performance. So yes, once again, very happy birthday to Jin. I had half of that cake that I bought, so I'm quite full right now. So yes, let's continue the celebration, guys. Let's continue the celebration and listen to Mom. So many times I have been asked to react to Mom, but I'm sorry I delayed it because I wanted to, keep something aside for Jin's birthday. So yeah, let us watch the lyric video. Okay, here we go.
처음 당신을 만났죠. 만나자마자 울었죠. 기뻐서 그랬는지 슬퍼서 그랬는지 기억도 나지 않네요. 드릴 것이 없었기에 그저 받기만 했죠. 괴로워도 그땐 고마움을 몰랐죠. 아무것도 모르고 살아왔네요. 엄마 이름만 불러도 왜 이렇게 가슴이 아프죠. 모든 걸 주고 더 주지 못해 아쉬워하는 당신께 무엇을 드려야 할지. 엄마 나의 어머니 왜 이렇게 눈물이 나죠. 가장 소중한 누구보다 아름다운 당신은 나의 어머니. 처음 당신의 모습은 기억할 순 없지만 마지막 모습은 죽는 날까지 기억하겠죠. 내 모든 맘 다해 사랑합니다. 당신은 나의 어머니. 당신은 나의 어머니.
I honestly didn't want to pause. It was so beautiful. I was like, just let it play. Just let it play. Just let the song play. So beautiful. Oh wow. What beautiful lyrics, man. What beautiful lyrics. No. I'm guessing he only wrote the song. He only wrote the song and composed it and everything, huh? Who played the piano? Was it Yoongi? Huh? Oh man. So beautiful, man. And You know, I can totally like listen to this. Oh wow, listen to this, and then listen to his latest, single, Yours. Whoa, the way his vocals have just matured and become so freaking. I have no words. Jin is the definition of growth and improvement and hard work and just. I'm sorry, I love this guy, man. He's amazing. He's just this. His sincerity, I can just feel it in his personality. I just feel that sincerity in his personality, the way he talks, the way he sounds when he sings. When I reacted to that documentary, the introduction to Jin, there was this one portion where it said the caption that when he sings, there is people resonate with it because they feel the emotion. He totally knows how to capture the listener's emotion. It's amazing. Oh wow. Oh man, I can't wait to see the live performance. Okay, we'll move on to the next one, which is Awake. What a song. The Jin solo song from Wings. I love this song so much. And I'm gonna just witness him sing live. That is another pleasure in itself, watching him sing live. Like I still go back so many times just to watch Jin's Epiphany live. More than the MV, I prefer watching the live performance because it is so good. So yeah, let's watch Awake. I don't know from which concert this is. Doesn't say in the description. If you know, let me know. Oh. Oh, just the beginning.
믿는 게 아니야 버텨보는 거야 할 수 있는 게 나 이것뿐이라서 머물고 싶어 더 꿈꾸고 싶어 그래도 말야
Already got goosebumps.
떠날 때가 되는 걸 Yeah, it's my truth It's my truth 온통 상처 투성이겠지 But it's my fate It's my fate 그래도 발버둥 치고 싶어 Maybe I can never fly 저기 저 꽃잎들처럼 날개 단 것처럼 흔한 dream I can touch the sky 그래도 손 뻗고 싶어 달려보고 싶어 조금 더 이 어둠 속을 그냥 걷고 또 걷고 있어 행복해
I have no words. I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. I am in awe I am just in awe. I'm just looking at him and I'm just thinking, like, I just have this one thought, is that how amazing is this guy? That's the only thought I have. Oh man, I cannot believe there are people out there. I wouldn't even call them armies. Like, there are people out there who think that this guy does not have talent. I mean, you have to be the delusional person of the highest order to even think that this guy can't sing and dance. Like you have to be like the ignorant of the highest level, of the highest order, to even believe that. Like your ignorance is it's beyond my understanding, at least. Haters gonna hate.
했던 시간들이 내게 물었어 너 정말 괜찮은 거냐고 난 대답했어 아니 나는 너무 무서워 그래도 여자송이 꽃을 손에 꼭 쥐고 난 걷고 있을 뿐이라고 But it's my fate It's my fate 그래도 발버둥 치고 싶어 Maybe I can never fly 저기 저 꽃잎들처럼 날개 단 것처럼 은한돼 I can touch the sky 그래도 손 뻗고 싶어 달려보고 싶어 조금 더 Run away, run away, run away, don't cry Run away, run away, run away, don't lie Run away, run away, run away, don't cry Run away, run away, run away, don't lie 저기 저 꽃잎들처럼 날개 단
Literally getting
것처럼
goosebumps.
안 돼, 그래도 손 뻗고 싶어 달려보고 싶어 조금 더
Wow, this was amazing. I don't know what to say. So beautiful. So beautiful. Let me stop this. So beautiful. I have no words. This guy's talent is on another level. On another level. Just the emotion, just the sadness that you feel. Look at the stage presence also. Did nothing, just stand there and sing the song. But just see the hold. Just see the hold he has on you as a viewer or as an audience, just via your voice. I mean, you have to be that level of good. And he is. He is. wow, both the songs, like the performance, Awake, of course, I know the song, it's a very good song. Mom was such a beautiful song. So such simple and beautiful lyrics. Sometimes it's just the simplicity that makes me so happy. So yes, that was the reaction to Mom as well as Awake live performance by Seokjin. Seriously, the man with the silver voice, the man with the silver voice. You may have turned 30, Jin, but literally age is just a number. Believe me. I totally believe in that. Okay, don't even think that okay, just because you've reached 30, that means you're old or anything. You are, firstly, you are very young at heart, and that's what matters. That's what matters. He has a beautiful heart, and that's what matters. I know a lot of armies would be so, like, would be definitely visibly and understandably devastated the day he enlists. I think they've deferred again, like applied for, like, they've deferred it or something. There is a provision for you, for them to do that, because you need to tick certain boxes that in terms of your achievements. So yeah, the military debate and the enlistment thing with BTS is such an ongoing, like, debate, and that's such a hot topic, because see, it's not just because they are famous all over the world. Like, that's another thing. Of course they are, but if you just see in terms of the amount of money that they bring into the South Korean economy, I mean, their presence matters. Like, their presence matters to the economy of South Korea at this point of time. They contribute to the country's economy, so that's a big deal. So of course, I'm sure a lot of people are torn what to do and all, because if if they become the first exception, say they become the first exception in the K-pop world, where they get exempted from the service. Oh, that's gonna. I like a lot of people will be happy also, but it's gonna make a lot of people upset as well. So yeah, like, I'm not talking like international, like, I'm only talking about the South Korea, like the citizens over there, the companies over there, the entertainment companies over there, because I mean, that will be a very, very big decision. Second would be, see, for me, I feel that uh, I feel that I really don't have a say, because it's their country's law, and if they have to serve, they have to serve. That's just how I see it. Because then there's this whole other thing, that are they going to go together? Are they going one by one? I mean, I unless until they make a statement, because one thing I'm pretty sure is that they are okay with serving, because it's like a duty that they have to do. So that's fine. But if they go together, I'm pretty sure that's also fine. And if they are going one by one also, I mean, it's, see, because the Hive is not going to just take a hasty decision on that. So yeah, anyway, uh, so I think I think the enlistment is deferred till the end of 2022. Like 2022, so at least, if not all the members, Jin has to enlist. Jin has to enlist no matter what. So we'll see where it goes. We'll see. Armies, don't be so devastated. It's okay. It's okay. He's serving his country only. So but they as a group are also serving the country in terms of contributing to their economy. So we'll see where it goes. We'll see where it goes. It's their law, it's their government. So really, we can't do much about it. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Once again, happy birthday to Jin. This is part 2, and I will soon be back with the last video for today's Jin birthday special. So signing off from this video now, guys. Bye.